Hi everyone! As you guys know, I love attention. So if I'm at an event and they turn the lights down, I still want the attention to be on me even when it's dark. For this to happen, this is what you need. Glow in the dark makeup! Especially for all of you youngsters out there who are going to the club or going to a rave party, I'm sure this tutorial will come in very handy for you. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna make this extra challenging for myself by doing it in the dark. Okay. Oh my gosh. I look so ridiculous. My hair looks like yellow blonde. So let's get started. So I think the first thing I'll do is to do my eyebrows. In order to match my hair, I'm gonna use this pink neon paint. I think I'm gonna do a little ombre with orange. Oh my god, it's super glowy. Wow, this is super cool. This looks so ridiculous. Everyone's gonna be looking at you. Imagine you just walk into a club and you just see a pair of eyebrows just floating around. That would be so freaky. I think the orange looks more bright than the pink. I've got my brows done. Let's try out the crayons. I think crayons will work better for eyeshadow. Let's see how the yellow looks like on my hand first. Wow, it really does glow and not bad eh. Oh my god, this is really insane. How about green and yellow? Can see difference or not first? Cannot, it just looks the same. Let's try blue. Ooh, the blue looks nice. I think I'm gonna do a little green-yellow ombre on the eyes. Wow. So crazy. A little at the start. Oh my god, this looks really cool. The crayon's like blinding me a little bit. Done the yellow. Gonna try to do the green. I can't tell the color difference in the dark. It just looks like yellow. Wow, look at that! It's really cool. Okay, it looks great. Now I'm gonna add some blue eyeliner. Oh wow, you can really see the blue. Right now, I'm gonna try to draw on some little lower eyelashes. Oh, that's cute. If you guys remember, some time ago I kind of did a challenge where I was doing makeup with my feet, and now I'm like doing it in the dark. Actually, I can kind of see a little bit lah. It's not say like super completely blind here. So I have on some falsies here and I'm gonna paint them. I think between the pink and the blue has the most contrast, so I'm gonna do alternate pink and blue. Okay, you can see. I think it looks better like that, so I'm just gonna leave it like that with no blue. Okay, so while waiting for the eyelashes to dry, I'm just gonna paint my lipstick on. I'm just gonna use the pink color. I've never eaten glow in the dark paint before, so I think at the end of today I'm gonna try some, probably accidentally. Wow! Wow, it's so crazy looking. Oh my god. I must say that this paint is like pretty drying, but as far as how it looks, amazing. I think I did quite an okay job considering that it's just completely just based on the knowledge of how I know my lips look like. Before I put on my falsies, I'm gonna try to spray on some freckles on my face, and I think I'm gonna try to use the blue paint to do it because I haven't used much of the blue. But before I do that, I kind of want to try it on a piece of black paper. I know you guys can't see it, but I don't want it to and like destroy everything that I've done. Okay, I need to get the... Whoa! Look at that! Hey, that's not bad. Wow, I look like constellation, right? When I shut my eye like that, it's very difficult to see what I'm doing. What? Now I look like some avatar creature. I think the last step is to just put on my eyelashes, which is going to be a huge challenge because putting it with light on is already very difficult. I feel like the eyelashes are not very obvious. I think I'm just going to do away with the individual straps looking thing and just kind of paint the whole thing. Okay, so I'm done with my glow-in-the-dark makeup. I don't know how it will turn out with the light on, but I'm quite pleased with how I did. I think it looks really cool in the dark. It's definitely something that's even I might say is too attention seeking. Oh my gosh, so crazy. I feel like everything else looks like it's great. I am just a little bit scared that the blending for the eyeshadow is not done that well. I just hope it doesn't look super freaky. Okay, let's turn on the lights now. Okay, so oh my gosh! It looks really like normal! The lipstick legit just looks like freaking liquid lipstick, right? This is a great lipstick color, I love it! Okay, let's see the blending. Oh, you can barely see it! It's like so little only. But it's like I really boil a lot but it's like you can not really see it. Oh, there's a bit specks of blue here. But otherwise the blue completely cannot be seen at all. Like, where is it? The eyelashes just kind of look like an accent. Sometimes people put like red eyelashes, I think. Blue liner, cannot really see also. The eyebrows are freaking on point. Yeah, I think you can go out like that. So I have a lot of products on my face now. After a long night out, the last thing you want is to have to spend a lot of time removing your makeup because you're just so tired, you just want to go to bed. So here's how I'm gonna remove 98% of my makeup with just one cotton pad. Okay, so now I'm going to soak this cotton pad with Garnier's all-in-one micellar water, but before I do that, I have to give it a shake first. Okay, yeah, good mix. Okay, so I just removed my makeup. I feel like probably 100% of it is gone. Not bad, look at this. It's chock full of a lot of product because I had a lot of foundation and everything. The black parts are like my mascara and eyeliner, which I had on just now. Plus all the glow-in-the-dark stuff is off as well. Garnier is the world's #1 micellar brand and they have a huge range of products that's for home use, travel, and on the go. So these two over here are for lightwear makeup and these two here are for even the toughest waterproof makeup like the glow-in-the-dark makeup that I had just now. I was using this and because it's so effective, it actually saved me a lot of time, which I'm really grateful for. Thank you very much. And on top of that, it's like super clean, it's not sticky, and you don't actually have to rinse off or cleanse your face after using it, so you can go directly to sleep. That's nice. Okay, so we've come to the part of the video where you guys would love because there's gonna be a giveaway and you stand a chance to win everything that's on this table that's worth $120. That's a lot of makeup removal products. You can use it for a really long time or give it to your friends, and I will be picking actually 3 winners, so a total of 3 full sets of this to be given away to you guys. All you have to do is to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also tell me why I should pick you. Quite simple, right? Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. Garnier's micellar water is available at all major retailers, and before you go, remember to click on that bell icon so you'll be notified every time there is a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!